In this video, I'll be showing you how to work with campaigns. Campaigns are what hold your videos and they hold all of your posting details that will be used to be posted on the video sites and the social media sites. To access this, you'll click on the poster tab again and then you click on campaigns. To create a new campaign, you click on the add campaign button towards the bottom. And the first thing you need to do is name the campaign. So as you can see, it automatically names after anything here. So you want to name it so that it's it's going to be easy for you to manage, because you can work with you can have multiple campaigns here. As you can see from previous campaigns, I've got some known as estate agents, dogs, and one was test. For this one, we'll work with the World Cup 2004. So I'll call this World Cup. So this campaign is called World Cup. What you do now is you click on add videos, and here you'll choose a folder full of videos. So let me see if I've got a folder here. And as you can see, the software's automatically told you that the total unused videos that you've added in here is 2. The software actually tracks the video submissions for you as well. So let's say, for example, you added 10 videos in here and then you went to post and you only wanted to post one of those videos, then the software will automatically track that and not post that video again when you go to use the same campaign and make posts for that campaign again. So it's very cool, and you don't need to worry about posting duplicates because the software automatically manages that for you. Okay, what you do now is click on assign groups. So every campaign that you create, you need to assign it to a group. So the reason we've done this, and I know many users might only work with the one group, so in which case you might be thinking, well, there's no point in assigning groups, but many users will be working with multiple groups because they're going to be working for their clients and they're going to be working for various other websites that they're going to be sending different videos to different niche related accounts or groups inside of their YouTube or Dailymotion accounts. So in which case, what we've done is we've allowed you to assign groups. So you click on assign groups, and when you assign groups, you'll see all of your groups down here. Obviously, we've only got the one group, but it's very important that we still assign this campaign to this group. Fantastic. Now what we can do is we can check this checkbox here, random video uploads. So let's say, for example, I had 10 videos inside of this software. I added 10 videos inside of the campaigns. Now I've got, let's say, for example, I've got Dailymotion, Vimeo, and YouTube added as video accounts. So if I check this here and I've got 10 videos inside of here, then the software will take one video, upload it to YouTube, take a different video, upload it to Dailymotion, take a different one and upload it to Vimeo. However, if I don't check this here, then what the software will do, it'll take the one video, it'll upload that same video to Vimeo, Dailymotion and YouTube, and then it'll go back around and upload exactly the same video. So basically, if you want the same videos being uploaded on every run, then all you have to do is make sure this isn't checked. Or if you want random videos uploaded on every run, just check this checkbox, random video uploads. And again, as mentioned, the software fully tracks everything for you. So it'll make sure the same video that's been posted to Dailymotion won't be posted to Dailymotion again. But if it hasn't been posted to YouTube, then it'll allow that video to get posted to YouTube, which is very cool. Okay, and if you want to reset the history as well, guys, because like I said, the software tracks it, then you just click on this checkbox here, or click on this button here, reset history, and the software will reset everything for you and let you post all of them videos again if that's what you want to do. Or if you want to add new videos to it, reset the history and then add videos to it. Okay, so what I'm going to do first is show you how to perform video research. So we have titles, we have video descriptions. So the video description here is what's going to be added to your video site. So it's going to be added to Dailymotion, Vimeo, YouTube and Veo and whatever other video sites you have. This is the description here. Okay, the title is going to be used for social sites and video sites. The social description is what's going to be added to your Tumblrs and your bloggers and your Google sites and whatever other ones here. Your tags is what's going to be added to your videos. Your keywords are going to be what's added to your social sites. Okay, and then you've got a master keyword list, which I'm going to be speaking about any moment. In each area as well, guys, you can right click and you can add shortcodes. And I'm going to be talking about these shortcodes in a moment as well. They're used to optimize your video without having to really fill everything up inside of these areas here. So the first thing I'm going to do though is I'm going to show you how to optimize our campaigns so that we know we've got optimized titles, optimized descriptions and social descriptions and tags so that we can fully maximize on benefiting from video traffic. So I'm going to click on video research. Now what we need to do is enter our main keyword. So I'm going to type in World Cup 2014 and I'm going to click on search. And what the software is doing now is going over to YouTube. It's going over to YouTube and it's searching for World Cup 2014. It's going to visit the top 10 videos or the top 5 videos, depending on your license type. It's going to visit the top 10 videos, and it's going to bring back the titles that they're using for it, and then it's going to also bring back the keywords that they're using as well. And again, it ranks them in order of popularity. So I'm going to go over to the title, and over here we can actually look at these titles and construct our own ones. So we've got World Cup 2014 best moments in HD, sorry. We can keep that, and if we wanted to alter it as well, we can alter it as well. we can remove in HD. We can call it, we can say the best moments. We've got World Cup 2014 top 5 worst players. We can just call one of them just World Cup 2014, and I'm going to select the ones that I want to work with. Then we've got this one here. Let's have a look. Oh, look at that. Shakira is actually on the World Cup. I think she must have given the song. Okay, so we can go World Cup 2014 in 90 seconds as stop motion animation. I can change this to World Cup 2014 the best moments in one video, for example, and I can check that there as well. And what the software will do, it'll actually add these to the title area in spin syntax format, so that these are titles ready to be used when uploading or when posting to these social media sites. We can do the same with keywords as well. So I'll choose a bunch of keywords here. Obviously you don't have to choose the ones that you don't, you can choose ones that you do, and then you click on save selected. Once you do that, what you can see is that the title has been filled with exactly what we took out from the video research, and it's been entered in spin syntax as well. So World Cup 2014, and so what this means is that the software will randomly rotate the spin syntax, or randomly choose one of these titles. So obviously if you've got like 3 or 4 videos in there, 3 or 4 titles is going to be fine, but if you've got something like 10, 15 videos in there, or you're going to keep adding videos to this campaign, then try your best to have some real good diversity in there as well. Now when you want to actually work with the video description, you do have an option to get an article from Article Builder, which I'll be showing you in a moment. We'll actually do that for the social description. Alternatively, you can add your own video descriptions in here as well. I'll be showing you how to optimize both of these any second and how to use it any second, but let's have a look at these tags. So we've got the tags here that we entered as well. Now with the tags, we can actually choose a minimum and maximum amount of tags that we want to add. So every time we upload a video, if I had this on say 4 and this one say 7, then the software will automatically choose between 6 and 7 tags. So on one video it might add 5 tags, on one video it might add 6 tags, on the other video it might add 4 tags, and the other 7. And the same is true with keywords. With keywords you choose your maximum. So if you've got maximum keywords 4, 6, then it's going to choose 6 keywords out of here. So you might have a list of say 100 keywords in here, and every time it's going to upload a video, it's going to add 6 of them keywords, and obviously it's going to randomize everything for you because it's going to be choosing different keywords. What I'm going to do though is I'm going to remove all these. Okay, I'm going to remove these and I'm going to show you another way to work with this as well. So we've already performed our keyword research from our keyword discovery tab. So what we can do now is import from project. When we perform keyword discovery, then let me just show you that. When we perform keyword discovery, then each of our keywords that we've performed research on is actually saved as a project. So as you can see, it says manage projects. So when we go over to campaigns, I'll call this World Cup again. Okay, and what I can do now is click on import from project, and then from here, from the drop down, I can actually choose the project that I want to import, like here, and then I can select the keywords that I want to add to the software. I can select the tags that I want to add to the software as well, and then I can click on save. And what the software does now, it adds all of the keywords to the master keyword list, and obviously you can add to this yourself as well if you wanted to, or you can import directly from the project, and it adds the keywords and the tags inside of here as well. What you can do now is in the title area you could add a master keyword. What this will do, this will replace the master keyword with one of these keywords from here. So on one video it might turn out to be, let's have a look, World Cup 2014 song. On another video it'll be World Cup 2014. On another one it'll be World Cup 2014 commercial, and so on. What you could do is you could just add to this here something like video. So it'd be something like World Cup 2014 song video, World Cup 2014 video, World Cup 2014 commercial video. So this is very easy for you to work with a master keyword list and really have the software randomize everything for you, which is brilliant. You can also do the same with video description as well. You can add master keywords, which obviously will, if you add this master keyword here, then this will be replaced with any one of these keywords here. Let's do another line here. I can right click, I can add a video link. I'll talk to you about a video link in a moment. I can add a title. So let's say for example let me add this master keyword. Let's say, for example, this video was posted and it used the title World Cup 2014 video, then inside of here, this will be replaced with the exact title that was used when posting this video. So a lot of people like this when they want to put a summary about the video. The title of this video is, and then have the shortcode title. The tags used in this video is, and then you can actually have things like tags, and you can have multiple tag shortcodes in here. You can even have a tag after a tag like this, and what this will do, this will replace the tags with any of these tags that you've actually got inside of here, which is very cool as well, because sometimes you might not want to add all of your tags inside of here. So you might want to add, say, let's say between 5 and 7, but you still want to add some more tags, in which case you can add about 5-6 more tags inside of here, shortcodes, and the software will automatically pick it up for you. Okay, now let's talk about the video link. If I right click, I can add a video link. Now the video link, what this does, it creates a link wheel for you. And the way this works is, for example, when you post, let's say for example, you want to post 5 videos to YouTube or to your group. Now, the software can post 5 videos one after the other. So it'll post the first video, then it'll go and post the second video, then it'll post the third video, or it'll post the first video, get social links for it, post the second video, get social links for it. Now, if you want to create a link wheel, like a link back to your videos, so what you could do is add a video link here. So what this will do, it'll create the first video. On the second video though, it will link back to the first video. On the third video, it'll link back to the second video. On the fourth video, it'll link back to the third video. It's a real cool process, and it's called link wheels, you can say, and it works really cool as well. Now, if you're thinking about what about the first video though, so let's say for example you've got 5 videos now. The first video is not going to have anything to link back to, because the second video will be linked back to the first, the third will link back to the second, the fourth will link back to the third, and so on. So what you do is, we've actually got a section inside of here, and what you can do here is select linking video from campaign. So for the first video, if you want to add a URL to link back to, then you can actually, as you can see, they've done in the software actually holds a history based on campaigns. So the test campaign, the dogs campaign, the estate agents campaign, I can actually choose one of the previous videos that the software's uploaded, and for the first video that the software is going to be posting, it will leave a link back to there. Alternatively, I can add my own YouTube URL inside of here, and the software will link back to that, and this is only used for the first video. And if you want to do this, then you'd have to click on this checkbox here, use history for video linking. If not, then the software won't link back on the first video, but it'll only start linking back from the second video. So the second to the first, the third to the second, the fourth to the third, but the first video won't have any link. Okay, let's go back over to campaigns and show you how to work with this. Okay, so this is how you'd use the shortcodes and everything on here. What you can do now as well is you can actually get social descriptions. You can add your social description. To do this, you can add your own text in here. Again, guys, everything supports spin syntax in here, so you can feel free to work with spin syntax. You can actually call spin syntax here as well. So I could hello, click on spin. And oops, I don't even think I've got my spin details inside of settings. So don't worry about the spin details just there. But if you wanted to, if you got your details inside of the settings section, then you can enter your content here and click on spin, and it will work with spin rewriter or the best spinner and get you spin syntax. What you can also do as well is use article builder to get an article, and this is very simple. Inside of the settings area, you enter your article builder details, and article builder gives you articles that are about 75% unique and gives you lots of content so that you can really optimize your social media details. And it's very cool, especially if you're going to be making lots of posts, because you're always going to have to be looking for good social descriptions. So article builder works perfect for this. For this, you just choose from the drop down, choose whatever category you want, and then click on get article, and it'll enter it inside of here, which is brilliant. Okay, so this is how you work with campaigns, and it's very simple. Again, guys, if you see these little arrows, you can always minimize and maximize areas in here as well. I'm going to click on cancel, and then what we're going to do next is look at exactly how we can start posting and how we can work with these campaigns and how we can work with the groups that the campaigns have been assigned to as well. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video.